the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MET. These three letters evoke images of scientific breakthroughs, technological marvels, and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. Founded in 1861, MIT has become synonymous with innovation and excellence. Located in Cambridge, Massachusetts, this private research university has consistently pushed the boundaries of human understanding. For over 150 years, MIT has been a beacon, drawing brilliant minds from across the globe. Its motto, Mens et Manus, mind and hand, reflects its commitment to both theoretical knowledge and practical application. MIT's impact extends far beyond its campus borders. Its alumni have founded groundbreaking companies, made seminal discoveries, and shaped the world we live in. From the depths of the ocean to the vastness of space, MIT's influence is undeniable. This essay will delve into the rich history of MIT, exploring its academic programs, research labs, and vibrant campus life. We will celebrate the achievements of its alumni and examine the institution's global impact. Join us as we journey through the halls of this powerhouse of innovation and excellence. MIT's academic reputation is built on a foundation of rigorous scholarship and cutting-edge research. The university is renowned for its strength across a wide range of disciplines, with particular emphasis on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM. Engineering is at the heart of MIT's identity. From mechanical and electrical engineering to aerospace and chemical engineering, MIT offers unparalleled opportunities for students to engage in hands-on learning and groundbreaking research. The Department of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science, or EECS, is a world leader in fields such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and human-computer interaction. MIT's prowess in mathematics and physics is equally impressive. The Department of Physics boasts numerous Nobel laureates among its faculty and alumni. Its researchers are at the forefront of exploring the fundamental laws of the universe, from the subatomic realm of quantum mechanics to the cosmic scale of cosmology. Beyond STEM, MIT excels in fields such as economics, management, and the life sciences. The MIT Sloan School of Management is recognized globally for its innovative approach to business education and research in entrepreneurship, finance, and global economics. Meanwhile, the Department of Biology is making significant strides in genetics, neuroscience, and biotechnology. MIT's commitment to research is evident in its vast network of interdisciplinary labs and institutes. These labs serve as incubators for groundbreaking discoveries and technological advancements. The MIT Media Lab is a hotbed of creativity and innovation. Its researchers explore the intersection of technology, media, art, and design, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From wearable technology to interactive storytelling, the Media Lab is constantly reimagining the future. MIT Lincoln Laboratory focuses on developing cutting-edge technologies for national security and public safety. Its researchers work on projects ranging from advanced radar systems to cybersecurity solutions, ensuring the safety and security of the nation. The MIT Energy Initiative, or MITI, is dedicated to finding sustainable solutions to global energy challenges. Researchers at MITI are working on developing clean energy technologies, improving energy efficiency, and mitigating the impacts of climate change. These are just a few examples of the many research labs at MIT that are driving progress and addressing some of the world's most pressing challenges. MIT has a long and storied history of fostering entrepreneurship. Its graduates have gone on to found countless successful companies, from tech giants to innovative startups. The Martin Trust Center for MIT Entrepreneurship is a hub for aspiring entrepreneurs. The center provides students with the resources, mentorship, and support they need to turn their ideas into reality. Through workshops, competitions, and networking events, the Martin Trust Center empowers the next generation of innovators. The MIT Innovation Initiative is another key driver of entrepreneurship on campus. The initiative supports faculty, students, and staff in developing and commercializing their research. By connecting researchers with industry partners and investors, the MIT Innovation Initiative helps translate groundbreaking discoveries into real-world solutions. MIT's culture of innovation is palpable. Students are encouraged to think outside the box, challenge assumptions, and pursue their passions. This entrepreneurial spirit is woven into the fabric of the institution. Section 5. A legacy of luminaries, notable MIT alumni. MIT's legacy of excellence is reflected in the achievements of its alumni. From Nobel laureates to industry titans, MIT graduates have made indelible marks on the world. Richard Feynman, a Nobel laureate in physics, is renowned for his groundbreaking work in quantum mechanics and his captivating lectures on physics. His contributions to the field continue to inspire generations of scientists. Buzz Aldrin, an Apollo 11 astronaut, made history as the second human to walk on the moon. His courage, determination, and pioneering spirit embody the MIT spirit. Shirley Ann Jackson, the first African-American woman to earn a PhD at MIT, has had a distinguished career in science and public service. She served as the chair of the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission, overseeing the safety and security of the nation's nuclear power plants. These are just a few examples of the many MIT alumni who have made significant contributions to their fields and to society as a whole. Their achievements are a testament to the power of an MIT education and the university's commitment to fostering excellence. Section 6. The MIT Experience: Campus Life and Culture. Life at MIT is a unique and enriching experience. The campus, located on the banks of the Charles River, provides a stimulating environment for intellectual and personal growth. MIT's student body is diverse and highly driven. Students come from all over the world, bringing with them a wide range of perspectives and experiences. This diversity fosters a vibrant intellectual community where students are constantly challenged to think critically and creatively. Collaboration is highly valued at MIT. Students work together on projects, study groups, and research endeavors. This collaborative spirit extends beyond the classroom, fostering a strong sense of community. MIT is also known for its quirky traditions and pranks, known as hacks. These hacks often involve elaborate engineering feats or creative problem-solving, showcasing the students' ingenuity and sense of humor. From academic rigor to extracurricular activities, life at MIT is a transformative experience that prepares students for success in their chosen fields and beyond. Section 7. Extending the reach: MIT's global impact. MIT's impact extends far beyond the confines of its campus. The university is committed to addressing global challenges and making a positive impact on the world. The MIT OpenCourseWare platform provides free access to course materials from thousands of MIT courses. This initiative has made a world-class education accessible to learners around the globe, breaking down barriers to knowledge and empowering individuals to pursue their educational goals. MIT's research and innovations are also addressing some of the world's most pressing problems. From developing sustainable energy solutions to combating diseases, MIT researchers are working to create a better future for all. The MIT Climate Project is a prime example of the university's commitment to addressing climate change. This initiative brings together researchers from across MIT to develop innovative solutions to mitigate and adapt to the impacts of climate change. Through its global initiatives and groundbreaking research, MIT is making a tangible difference in the world. Section 8. MIT in 2024, a year of continued excellence. The year 2024 has been another remarkable year for MIT. The university continues to push the boundaries of knowledge, foster innovation, and make a positive impact on the world. MIT alumni continue to make significant contributions in their respective fields. Anthony Tony Davis exemplifies the spirit of community engagement, while students like Alfredo Jr. Gopez and Rolando II Famadico Ilergan demonstrate the high standards and practical applications of an MIT education. Campus development projects such as the Edward and Joyce Linde Music Building and the renovation of the Metropolitan Warehouse reflect MIT's commitment to providing a state-of-the-art learning environment. Sustainability initiatives, including the Zero Carbon Campus vision and the MIT Climate Project, highlight the university's dedication to environmental responsibility. MIT's research continues to shape modern science and technology, with breakthroughs in computing, telecommunications, health sciences, and sustainable energy. The Internet Policy Research Initiative focuses on critical areas like cybersecurity and digital systems, developing protocols like O-Trace for accountable systems. Alumni stories such as those of Jared Miller and Shuman Gosama-Jumder highlight the diverse paths and significant contributions of MIT graduates in fields like AI, cybersecurity, and venture capital. Section 9, a legacy of progress, a future of innovation. The Massachusetts Institute of Technology stands as a beacon of innovation and excellence. For over a century and a half, it has been at the forefront of scientific discovery, technological advancement, and societal progress. Its legacy is etched in the countless breakthroughs, inventions, and innovations that have shaped our world. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: MIT will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping our world for the better. Its unwavering commitment to knowledge, its spirit of collaboration, and its relentless pursuit of excellence will continue to inspire generations to come. MIT's journey is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the transformative potential of education and research. The best is yet to come.